We have worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer, and we wanted to share it with the world. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.